Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to create Happn account. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Happn application. So we have a separate video on that, so if you have troubles with that, you can also go on our YouTube channel and find how you can actually go and download the Happn application. After that, as you can see, here we have some things in front of us. So we have the connect with Apple or connect to Google. So you can go and choose how you want to do it. But just know, by registering, you accept their terms and condition of use and their privacy policy. So you just need to go, of course, and select how you want to go and connect. I will be doing it with Google, so I'll be clicking on connect to Google. Here you need to go and agree with the terms. Click on that. Then click agree and close. You need to do that. And here you'll, of course, can go and ask the app to track or not to track. And then click continue. And here you can go and put your Google, whichever address you want. Click continue after that. And now your application will be created. So you can go and then choose your name, choose your date of birth. So if you are 30 years old, you check the age correction. You won't be able to change it later. So you can go and validate that, how old you are. And here then you will have, of course, your notification. So how you identify, click next. What is your height? Click next. Your, of course, zodiac, and here you got it. So here you have your account created. So you need to put who you like to meet and all of those things, and you'll be having your account then set up. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. That will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye, guys.